Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, What You Should Drive JA, where we help you find the best deals on cars in Jamaica. Today, we're checking out a 2015 Honda HR-V 1.8 litre that's currently up for sale. If you're in the market for a reliable, stylish and efficient SUV, this might be the perfect ride for you. Let's start with the exterior. This HR-V sports a sleek and modern design with a bold front grille and stylish headlights that give it a distinctive look. The body is in excellent condition and the purple paint job really makes it stand out on the road. It's an SUV that truly catches the eye. Now let's take a look inside. The exterior is just as impressive as the exterior. It features comfortable fabric seats for 5 passengers, a spacious cabin, and a user-friendly dashboard. The HR-V is known for its versatility, and this model is no exception. The rear seats can be easily folded down to create a large cargo area, perfect for those weekend getaways or shopping trips. Plus, it comes with air conditioning to keep you cool on hot days. In terms of features, this 2015 HR-V comes fully loaded with a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, a multi-angle rear-view camera, steering wheel controls, and push-button start. For added security, it has an alarm system. These features make driving more enjoyable and convenient, whether you're on a long trip or just running errands around town. Under the bonnet, we have a 1.8 litre 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. It delivers a good balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it a great choice for both city driving and longer journeys. With only 68,000 kilometers on the odometer, this dealer-serviced HR-V is in excellent condition and is ready for the road. On the road, the Honda HR-V handles exceptionally well. It offers a smooth ride, responsive steering, and good visibility, making it easy to maneuver through traffic and park in tight spaces. It's a right-hand drive vehicle, perfect for our local roads. Plus, with Honda's reputation for reliability, you can feel confident in your investment. If you're interested in this 2015 Honda HR-V 1.8 litre, don't hesitate to reach out to the seller. You can find all the details in the description below. Thanks for watching What You Should Drive JA. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and buying tips. Happy driving!